Hi guys, what's up? Today we will learn how you can easily add such catchy scrolling logo banner to your Shopify App Store. Such banners works really effective to build trust, and trust helps with conversions. So a really simple but effective solution, and let's start. We'll need to go to Shopify App Store and find Fab Scrolling Logo app. I will add the link to the description to this video. Install this app and go to the app's dashboard. Well, we have here a setup guide. Let's activate the widget. So our banner will be visible on the storefront on our store. You just need to check that this toggle is on and press save button. After that, just go back to your app dashboard. I have some banners. You need to create the new one by pressing create new banner button. On the left side we have all the settings, and on the right preview, including this mobile version. Okay, let's give the name for the banner. We can also choose a classic grid, but in our tutorial we will create a catchy marquee effect, so it's more visible for our customers. We can change the speed of the animation, direction of movement, and let's change placeholders and upload our logos. I delete placeholders and upload my logos. So you will need to prepare your logos. I recommend to use SVG format. Works the best and looks crisp on Retina screens. And just upload logos one by one. All done. I'm uploaded all my 5 logos, and now I want to change the title for the banner. I will left trusted by and add some subtitle like 1000 happy clients. I recommend you use the real information. The trust is matters. Okay, looks really well on both desktop and mobile. On the style settings we can change the color of background, change spacings. This switch is on, so it means that my banner will be full size. A couple of things: I want to make logos bigger and add a little bit more space in between logos. Okay, let's now go to final step and place our banner to the store. I go to the placement settings, save my changes. Banner created, great. Now here I copy my unique banner ID by pressing this button, and now go to theme editor. You can just press this button and you will automatically redirect it to the store. Great, I see that section with app widget was added. I choose Fab logo banner and copy paste here my code, press save, and I see the result. Okay, it was really quick and simple. I also can change the position for my banner. Recommended place is at the top after the hero image. It's most popular position for these banners. You can also create the same way multiple banners, place them on different pages, so you really have a lot of flexibility. Great work, thank you for watching and see you on the next tutorials. Don't forget to press like button. Bye bye.